Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you how to use Reactjs as a front end and Nodejs as a backend. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Reactjs updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, on my screen you can see Reactjs is working fine with some demo data, and data have two column in table, name and position, and name is showing the rich post and Ajay Malhotra, and positions are blog and full stack developer. And friends, here is my Node.js API from where I'm getting the data. Name, position, and friends, here I have getting data from my Node.js API. And friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description, so please get the code snippet link. And friends, if you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. I will share all the detail inside this video description. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.